Hey guys, this is Carrie with Core Marketing Group. Today's tutorial is all things updating themes, backing up themes. So the first part of this is going to how do you make a copy of a theme? Say if you wanted to make some changes or some updates but didn't want to have it impact the current thing that you have live. So here we are on our dashboard on your Shopify site. So we are going to go navigate over to Online Store. And so then you'll see where you have your live theme here. So then we're going to go here. You'll just hit the drop down and you're going to see an option that says duplicate. So I'm going to hit duplicate and it's going to go ahead and duplicate a copy of your theme. So I'm just going to let it run its process here real quick. Shouldn't take too long. And what I like to do, once it's done duplicating, I like to rename it. So I have an idea if it's like a specific change that you did, an app integration, I like to put that in the name, or even just updating the date. So you could go over here and rename, and I would say like turbo copy, and then I would put today's date, which is like 6/29/2020. So I know what this is and when it was actually duplicated. So then you could go over here, and what this did is it actually copied your theme exactly how it is. So it copied everything and duplicated it over here. So if you were to go over here and customize it, you're going to see everything just the way it is on your live theme. So what you would do is you go in and make your changes, and then when you're ready to publish it, all you would need to do is hit the drop down and publish it, and then that is going to publish it to your live theme, and you just hit publish. So that is how to make a copy or duplicate your live theme. Now I'm going to show you two different ways on how to make updates. So a lot of these themes are constantly being improved by their developers. So every now and then you'll get a notification if you purchased a theme, depending on who you purchased it from, that there are updates, maybe to fix some bugs or add new features, things like that. So there's two different methods that you can do this depending on the type of theme that you purchased. Now, first I'm going to show you, if you just purchased a theme from the Shopify Theme Store, how we would go ahead and get the latest version of that. So I'm going to switch over here. This is one of my clients, and we purchased this theme called Testament. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back over here. We're going to go to the Shopify Theme Store. Okay, and I'm going to find the Testament theme. Okay, so here it is. And so what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to go back over and grab the URL for my shop. And then you're going to go back here and you're going to log in with this URL. And so what this is going to do is it's going to recognize if you purchased any themes through the theme store. So now you're going to see here that this button has actually updated. So it has recognized that this shop has purchased the Testament theme. So what we can do here is go add the latest theme version to your shop. So it's going to copy it over. And now you're going to see it here updating, and what it's done is added the latest version of this theme to this client store. Now the only difference between this is it's going to install the raw template, like just as you had purchased it from the very beginning. It's going to bring over some of your photos and everything, but so I'm going to just click over it here so you can take a look. So it's going to be like the very first time that you installed a theme. So essentially, you're going to have to go through and recustomize your site. Now, all your products and everything will be here, right? But you're going to have to go through and essentially recreate your site. I only suggest doing this if there's some major functionality issues and you need to reinstall the theme. So the third part of this tutorial is what I'm going to show you is updating themes if you are using out of the sandbox or Pixel Union themes. And they are actually the preferred theme provider for all core marketing clients. And I'm going to show you why we choose to use these themes. A lot of times we do a lot of customizations, but sometimes we use these as base themes. Or if a customer wants to save some money, we choose these themes. So what you can do, we're currently using the Turbo theme from out of the sandbox. So what they have done is they have created an app. You can go over here to the App Store, and it's called Shopify Theme Updater. So if you have any template by Pixel Union or out of the sandbox, you get a 365-day free subscription to the Theme Updater. After that, it's like $9 a month. But I'm going to tell you it's going to save you lots of time and headaches. So once you add the Theme Updater, when you go over to your online shop, you'll see we have all these different themes. So if you log into the app, then it's going to show you all the themes that you have currently available. And it's going to tell you if there's a new version. So this is an unregistered. And so the caveat with this is you actually have to register your themes to be able to update them. So if there's a new version for Turbo, all I'll have to do is hit update. And so there's a couple little things that you want to keep in mind when doing this. You probably want to make a copy of it first before you update it. And if you've made any huge changes, customized changes to your theme, running this update will not always bring those changes over with them. What it will do is give you kind of a log of the changes that were on the old theme and the new updated one, and then it'll let you go through and you can manually go in and update those. With one of their services too, they have a plan that allows you to pay a little bit more and they will save those customizations. And then it makes it a little bit easier when you have to go and update it. So what we're going to do is we're going to hit update. And then it's going to, if I want to preserve theme customizations, once again, like we can go ahead and click this, but it's not going to always save them up. I don't believe this theme has been heavily customized. So it's going to go ahead and update it. Okay, so now that our theme has been updated, it's just going to essentially give you your theme log here, and it's going to tell you all the different things that have been updated within this update and the ones you had from before. So if you had some customizations here, it's also going to show you like what of the customized options within your theme were not updated. So it'll give you kind of a change log to be able to do that. So if you wanted to go over and customize your theme, you will see once it's done loading here, that everything is intact. So it looks exactly like what you had that was live. It's just updated to the latest and greatest version of your theme. So that is it for this tutorial. I hope that you found this helpful. I hope that this empowers you a little bit more to take control of your Shopify website. And if you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to us. Our handle over on Instagram is Core Marketing, and you can also reach us over at our website at coremarketinggroup.com. Have a great day, and if you liked this, please like and make sure you subscribe so that you can keep updated for all our latest tips and tricks and tutorials.